Hi, my name is John Kozinski. I'm going to talk about how your emotions are caused by diet and lifestyle. So, in the emotional realm, a lot of people suffer from depression, anxiety, and this has many different causes. Most people automatically assume their emotions or their distressed emotions like anxiety or depression, or sadness or anger is caused by something outside of themselves, like a person or place or thing, or something from the past that they're holding, something they're doing, something from the past. And this is the approach, but nobody really thinks so much that it's caused by anything that they're doing in their day-to-day life, in the diet and lifestyle. Well, it's complicated, but there is evidence that basically that your diet plays a big role in your emotions. And so basically they've studied this particularly when they look at the role of brain chemicals. You have four mood molecules that you produce. And these four mood molecules are affected by food and by lifestyle. And for instance, we don't have time to go through all the molecules, and some of the molecules are misunderstood. But we'll talk about two of them. We have serotonin, which is a molecule that's produced. If you have a certain amount of it, you feel relaxed. If you have too much serotonin, though, you feel depressed. And a misunderstanding in the science of this is they give drugs that keep more serotonin in the brain for people who are depressed. And lo and behold, a lot of those people get more depressed. But sometimes they temporarily get better with that. Then you have another brain chemical, which is known as the catecholamines, called the CATs. And the CATs make you feel upbeat and alert. And so there are some drugs that are based on stimulating the CATs to help you feel better. But it turns out your diet and lifestyle, particularly your diet, can affect your moods. For instance, if someone's diet is any nutritional deficiency, it'll affect the brain chemistry, and then you'll have certain kinds of moods. For instance, many people are on diets that are deficient in B vitamins, and then the brain doesn't function well. Or, for instance, in health food diets or common diets where people are dieting, they don't get adequate protein from natural animal foods. And what happens is all the brain chemicals are made by proteins. So then they'll be prone to emotional problems and mood disorders. If people don't get enough sun, certain brain chemicals are not produced, like these catecholamines, or affectionately known as the CATs, which make you feel upbeat and alert. So a lot of people are staying inside. They're inside buildings. They don't get outside at all. It makes them depressed. If your metabolism is depressed because you're under stress in any kind of way, from a poor lifestyle, a poor diet, not exercising, not sleeping enough, not eating enough, or eating a nutritionally deficient diet, basically your brain won't get. Now, your brain won't get enough to function, so you'll be prone to a depression, anxiety, or anger, or irritability, or mood disorders. Now, the interesting way, the overview of looking at this is that your diet and lifestyle has to supply enough energy for your brain. If your diet and lifestyle is providing energy for your brain functions and your emotions are good. In another sequence that I'll talk about emotions, we'll talk about the other part of this is that how you look at life and how you observe things and your understanding of life and your thoughts generate emotions also. And that's another way of addressing the emotional issues, understanding how thought generates emotion.